Hello everyone, hopefully you all are doing fine, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about conditional statement. So conditional statement if. So let's see what is if. So if specifies two things. One is a block of code which needs to be executed given the specific condition is either true or false. So if you go to the script and if you write something like this, if your age, let age equals to 18, and if age you need to write if, then you need to put a parenthesis and write the specific condition, and then you need to execute this block of code. You are eligible to vote. Okay, so now if I run this script and let's see what happens. Okay, so now you see you are eligible to vote. On the other hand, if I wrote something like this, okay, so here let me write something like this. If I gave it like this, and what result would it give me? Okay, you are still eligible to vote, where this is 18 but this is a string and this is a number. So you know, in case of abstract equality, in case of it only compares the values, that is the string and the number can be same. But in case of strict equality, if we did something like this, it would give us nothing. Okay, so this is it. And suppose if we wrote something like this, then also it would give us no result. So if is something that is, you would use a lot of if in JavaScript or in any programming language. So if is a conditional statement and it allows the specific block of code to be executed if your specific condition is true. So I guess I have pretty much explained this. Now this is good, but sometimes you need to explain things in a much clearer way. So that is why there is else if, else if, and there are more conditions obviously. Here there might be only one condition, but in many cases, suppose in case of marks, and there might be several conditions. So that's why we need else if, and these things. So I hope you are clear with if, and in the next tutorial we'll explain about else. So have a good time, just run this block of code and I believe you would be fine with if. So that's very much it. Thank you.